Hi, this is Anne. I've decided after I did this one, I'm going to try to make a sheep. I like the stenciled effect like on this, so I'm going to try and do this on that. I just made me 2 patterns there for the bodies, and then I've got these 2 for the heads. I'm going to use this for the heads and this for the bodies. So I'm just going to cut out the bodies and make myself a template and use these for the faces. Sorry, this is just a piece of cardboard that I made the heads and ears and stuff from, and this is a sturdy paper bag. I already traced my sheep there, so I will just stamp on top of it and I will make 2 of each. I'm going to use my craft paint, and I'm just going to use these 2 stencils for the different sheep. So I'm just going to take a sponge, go into my white, and I'm just going to start. I'm not going to worry for perfect. And I want to make 2. And the other one will be enough for 2 like that, so I'm just going to quickly do my stencil up to there. This is for the smaller sheep, and I'm just going to let it dry and then I will cut it out. Okay, I forgot about the hair. So I'm just going to make the small one and the big one, and I'm just going to put the stencil through them, and now I'm just going to let it dry. So I'm just going to cut it like that. And then I'm just going to fold it in half and cut it out. Okay, I'm just going to take my glue gun and I'm going to glue, I'm just going to leave an opening like that to put in this plastic bag, and then I will see what I'm going to do. I'm going to leave this piece at the bottom open for my legs and to put my filling in, so I'm just quickly going around these edges here. Make sure I'm gluing it like that. Okay, I'm just going to take my yarn. I'm just going to go like this, coming out on that side and going in from the back. I'm just going to quickly start here, and I'm going to go around up to there because I want to put my filling in there, so I'm going to do this off camera. I've just got a plastic bag here, so I'm just going to fill this up with you can decide how much you want to put in. I don't want to put in too much. And I'm just going to make a knot here. You can work it away by tucking it in there and snipping it off or anything. I'll worry later about that. So now I'm just going to make the other one as well. Okay, I just want to quickly glue this. It's going to start to rain now, and I just want to quickly do this before it starts. I'm just going to glue this on the body and onto the head, and then I'm just going to glue them there. And then I'm going to take this pilot printer, it's just an acrylic pen, and I'm just going to make a little bit of ears and so on the body. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I will definitely see you next time, and I think it can look very nice on a present or maybe on a mobile. So you can tell me in the comments what you would use it for, and I will definitely see you next time. Take care.